Good day, guys. So today we're going to have some review for our topic last time. So last time we discussed the sets and the properties of sets. So today we're going to discuss the connection between sets and the automata theory and languages. So ano ba bang connection ito? So when we say the connection between the sets and the automata theory po, these are the foundation in the computation theory. So they have the interconnected to each other. No? So pag sinabi natin sets are the building blocks, okay? Automata, these are the machines built using the sets. And when we say languages, we have the output or the capabilities of a automata. So for the detailed explanation po, for the sets, all concepts are based on a sets, okay? So for example, we have the queue. This queue is a possible po of the set of states. Pag sinabing queue, ito po yung mga set of states or the possible po ng mga process po na pupuntahan po ng ating machine. For this one, the symbols, these are naman po are the, tawag po dito ay symbols or the alphabet. So, ang kanya pong symbols po nito, we have A and B. For the sets of states naman po, we have the Q0, Q1, and Q2. So, ito po yung mga possible na pupuntahan ng machine. And for the final states, we have the Q2. Ito po yung last na process po ng machine. In a automata machine naman po, okay, again, ano po ba yung mga states natin? We have the Q0, Q1, and Q2. These are the possible po na states na po, possible na puntahan po ng machine natin. Ano po yung input or the alphabets? These are the symbols po for the alphabets. Ito po yung ini-input natin sa machine. For the final state, these are the tinatawag nating end of the machine. And the transition function, these are how the machine works or kung saan siya pupunta, yung mga changes sa pupuntahan po ng machines. Okay? And for the language, okay, ang language naman po, it is a sets of string na ina-accept po ng ating machine. So for example, we have the L1 or for the language, we have the input natin sa language po natin is AA, AB, BA, or AAA. Okay? So we have here some example po. Okay? So alphabet, again, ano po ba yung mga alphabet po natin? These are the sets of symbols. States, these are the sets of states. The final state, these are the last states of the machine. And the language, these are the resulting language or the string, possible po na string na in-enter po natin sa machine. So for the conclusion po, we have the sets, automata, and languages have a relationship interconnected with each other. So again, pag sinabi nating sets are the basic building blocks, pag sinabi nating automata are the machines that manipulate sets, and the language are the output or results of a computations. So we have here our activity, the number 4, you're going to identify the sets. So we have the given following automation description. So dito po, accept string over 0 and 1 that contains exactly 2 ones. Meron siyang state na Q0 for the start state and meron siyang final state na Q2. So transition po niya, pag po meron siyang 0 na input, nag-stay po sa current state. Pag naman po meron siyang input na 1, mag-move po siya sa next state, which is Q0, Q1, or Q2. Then, for our activity, you're going to answer number 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to get the set of states. Ano po ba yung mga possible na pupuntahan yung states? By given this example number, by example number 1. Ano po yung input niya? Ano po yung final state niya? At ano po yung language na possible na po sagot? Then, sa number 2 po, we have a vending machine accepts only 5 pesos and 10 peso coins. It depends upon the product. When exactly 15 pesos are inserted. So the machine has states, waiting start, and 5 peso receive. 10 peso receive product dispense for the final. So ano po yung kanyang queue, ano po yung input niya, ano po yung final state niya, at ano po yung language. Then number 3, you're going to answer din po an counts the number of ones in the binary strings. It accepts string with an even number of ones, states even, start, and the final odd number. So, ano po yung cue niya, ano po yung kanyang alphabet, ano yung final state niya, at ano po ang language. So, we have po 12 number po na sasagutan nyo po. Again, uulitin ko po. Ito po tayo. Alphabets, ano po yung input natin sa machine. States, ano po yung mga possible na dadaanan po ng machine. For example po, Q0 and Q1. Final state, ano po yung last na pupuntahan po ng machine. And the L or the resulting language po. Okay? Ano po yung mga output po or result po ng computation po. Okay? So, we're going to answer po yung 12 given po. Okay? So, pakisulat po sa yellow paper, pakipicturean po, then pakisend po sa ating pong GC. Thank you po and God bless.